Hindi ka kasi accountable sa sarili mo kaya hanggang ngayon hindi ka nagkaka-progress sa journey mo. Na-discover ko kasi lately sa sarili ko na kaya kong gawin ang lahat ng task ko from 3 p.m. after school to 10 p.m. na ginagawa ang okay business, affiliate, personal brand at personal structure. Kung mas naging accountable lang ako sa sarili ko last year, siguro iba ang naging resulta ng buhay ko right now. Kaya masaya ako na hindi dahil I know to myself na I have the capabilities na maging disciplined, but for over the past 3 years, I've been choosing procrastination and distraction. That's why ngayon, I have no results na wala akong mapatunayan sa sarili ko. Yes, bata pa ako, which is good and not good dahil I can explore things that what will works and what will not work. Not because maaga ko kasi discover ang business, personal development, improvement, etc. etc. Kaya what I'm feeling to myself right now is a guilt na nasayang ko yung taon ko sa mga bagay na hindi nakatulong sa akin. Well, at least I'm still learning and trying. That's the best part. That's day 65 of Road to 20K per month, and to be independent this year. See you tomorrow. Peace out.